Pakuan ka? Kaliyong-liyong.
Sino yung sinasabi niyo na David Tan na nakilala niyo doon sa meeting na yun?
No, sir. Yeah, I said, in that meeting, I was furnished a copy. Right, because right after that meeting with the rice traders, I met with the intelligence community. Because yung pangalan no, lumalabas David Tan, eh, sabi ko wala akong, I need a face.
Nasito ba yung David Tan ngayon?
Is the one?
Sino siya? Ito?
Yes, this is the one.
Si Dave Bangayan.
Yeah, I'd like to say something about the identity of David Tan, Davidson Bangayan. His face is all over the town. Everybody knows him. And he is a central figure in the rice smuggling in this country. Kung sino yung may gusto na mag-import, they go to David Tan. Siya yung may linya sa customs. Siya yung may linya sa lahat. Siya yung pagador talaga. So everybody who wants to import rice will have to go to him. Siya yung may hawak. Kaya nga yung pangalan niya lumalabas. David Tan, there are 3 David Tan. He's the only one. He plays a central role here. Lahat ng dito sa Pilipinas, Maynila, maybe Davao, if you want to go to business sa bigas, and you want a simplified procedure, you go to him. May bayad ka. And what is really very sad is itong policy na only the cooperatives, farmers are given the opportunity to get a permit. Alam naman natin lahat yung mga cooperatives sa farmers, wala yung pera. No assistance, no subsidy. So they are forced to deal with him. Kawawa yung mga farmers, sabi, luluhot sa kanya yan eh. Walang pera. So sasabihin na, sige, you are allowed by government to import, get a permit. O sige, kumuha ka at akong bahala sa'yo. Ganun yan. And everybody here in this town, all over the Philippines, I suppose, kilala yan. He's really the David Tan. Well, we will focus on David Tan. He might use 1,000 names, George Washington, Rodrigo Duterte, whatever. He's the one doing business, committing the crime of rice smuggling as David Tan. So we focus on David Tan. And maybe, if there's a conflict, you can just correct it. Whose true and correct name is Davidson Bangayan. Otherwise known as. Siya yan eh. So dito tayo nakatutok sa kanya. If I were to investigate, I would not really mind if he's the one and the same person. Well, just focus on him. And he said, my name is Anso. And all the world has been using that alias, and everybody knows, Your Honor, that using an alias is not allowed by law. Kaya nga mahirapan tayo minsan to establish ng identity because he was still using the name of David Tan. Kaya kung mapakita yung mga papeles, hindi ako yan. Davidson Bangayan ako. Sabi ko wala akong problema dyan. Well, I said, you can use so many birth certificates or whatever. Nakapokus ako sa kanya. Siya yan dito sa, we live in the southernmost city. Pero dito sa Maynila, alam ng lahat siya. So, muli po ang gustong mag-import, pupunta sa kanya, siya kasi ang naka-establish ng linya sa lahat ng ports. It could be Davao, it could be Cebu, Cagayan, Manila, sometimes Batangas.
Since you have already identified by yourself si Mr. Bangayan as Mr. David Tan, is he still allowed to enter your city?
Look, ang sinabi ko ganito, ayaw ko simula ngayon sa lahat na may bababa dito na smuggled goods. Sabi ko, paparilin ko kayo. And if this guy would go to Davao and start to unload, at nakakita ko nandyan siya, you must be the commission we grant. I will gladly kill him. And so we go to prison. I Honor, I could spend the remaining days of my life in prison. Matanda na rin ako. Marami na rin akong sakit. The most is about 5 to 10 years. I can do away with by reading books and while away my time reminiscing the lost glory.
So, ibig niyong sabihin, pagka pumunta ho to si David Bangayan alias David Tan sa Davao at mag-smuggle ng bigas o smuggled products, papatayin niyo po?
Well, of course, hintayin ko siya sa labas. I do not want to tinker with his alone. Pagka lumaban ito and he puts up a good fight, I would not hesitate. I'll do it to my country. Sabi ko nga, mahirap ito sa Pilipinas. Wala namang Pilipinong gustong pumatay. Wala namang Pilipinong gustong magpakamatay para sa tao. I'm not trying to be a hero. What I said, I do not want to allow the impression na kaya sinabi ko dun sa lahat. I gather them all. Lahat. Police, customs, coast guard. Sinabi ko sa kanila na huminto kayo. Huminto kayo kasi ayaw kong mabalita na ang syudad ko ginagamit.
So your statement will serve as a stern warning to all smugglers not to smuggle in your city?
Yes sir. Exactly, that is the idea.
How